Today I'm unboxing a Ruroc 3.0 helmet, the newest additions that they got. I've been waiting 2 months for this to come in. I ordered it as soon as they went live. They had production problems. It took forever to get here, so I really hope it's worth the hype. I got the Carbonized Inferno. I hope it fits. God, if it doesn't fit, this helmet goes for $525. But before that, I got the Bluetooth, what's it called? Atlas 3.0 Shockwave that goes with their 3.0 helmet series, and Berserker camera mount that I'm going to be unboxing. Unfortunately, it's already opened because I was not home when it came in the mail, and I didn't want somebody to run off with $800 worth of stuff. So I had my friend pick it up for me. His dad forgot that he said that I had a package there, and he wanted to know where the package came from, so he opened it up. So I don't get the excitement from that, but they do got pretty cool looking box, I guess, to make it feel kind of premium. I did feel the actual Bluetooth product when I picked this up from my friend's house, and it does feel pretty cheap, like plastic. I'm gonna be honest. This is I guess I was expecting it to be heavier, but it is what it is. Guess one of these are both probably going each ear, and then here's the microphone, and we also got a cord with it. Looks like USB-C. Like I said, the helmet was $525 alone. The Atlas 3.0 Shockwave was $150. That's the Bluetooth thing. It's called Shockwave. And then I got the Atlas Berserker camera mount. That was $30. It says Ruroc on the side. And then on the top it has the logo. It says Protection Re-engineered. Cool looking box. Here's a picture of it on the side. On the top, not sure what this is. Maybe some kind of manual. Interesting shape if it's a manual. Stickers, decals. Cool. And this is a manual. Cam mount. Let's see what that looks like. Wow, it's a lot simpler than I was expecting. Just a little, you just stick that on the front, boom. This goes on like that. It's really light, again, feels really cheap, but I guess light would be good for a helmet. You don't want a bunch of heavy stuff weighing your neck down. A lanyard, it says Ruroc, cool. Patch, Atlas 3.0, stickers, more decals, whatever you want to call it. That's for probably keep your neck warm, or if you sweat a lot, or, you know, I'm sure you know what that is. And then here, what is this? Flag? It's a flag. How's that look from over there? Atlas. Cool. I didn't know they was gonna send all this. I don't remember if I ordered another like colored visor with this or not. Feels like there's two in here. It's all wrapped up in a nice soft fabric. Protected still. And there's also a keychain bottle opener in here. Is this black? I hope this is black. Looks black. Looks black, don't it? It says, Atlas, remove this protection before using, if tinted, for daytime use only. I do believe that's tinted. Let's remove the wrap. Ooh, 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 you hear that? Hold on. Wow, that was pretty quiet, but this feels like better quality than all the other plastic that I've touched so far. So I did get a tinted visor. Sweet, because I've been getting blinded a lot driving on the highway. Now, there's a girl chasing your dog. I'm gonna definitely do something with this bag. It's very soft. God, that red pops. I hope I'm getting that on camera. That is beautiful shade of red. Let me bring it up closer. Look at that. Wow, and it's so shiny. Something I was worried about. My bike, the plastic is like that metallic kind of. So I don't know how well the shiny is gonna work with that. But let's see. The red is just a little bit brighter. I figured that was gonna happen. But anyway, look at that. This is a beautiful helmet. They really do a good job marketing these things on Instagram. Sleek all the way around. I can feel the fabric on the inside, and it feels amazingly comfortable. I can't wait to put this thing on my head. So, let's peel this one off. Maybe you'll hear this one. Ooh, that was nice. See how this opens up. Not really smooth, but oh gosh. I guess it snaps closed quick if you need to. Stopping and taking a vape break or something if you can fit it down there. And I'd be kind of worried about that breaking or snapping. Side says protection, re-engineered right there. On both sides. The parts look very nice. The helmet does not feel cheap like everything else does. I'm sorry, Ruroc, if one of you were watching this. DOT certified on the back. Very soft inside. Very squishy, like not like memory foam. Or is it like memory foam? It's like kind of like a step up from memory foam. I'm not sure how to describe it. There's a little bit of padding on the top. Let's see. Like right in the middle, and then this is like the actual helmet right here, and this all comes out. Here's the part for the Bluetooth. This is cool. Underneath your chin, probably keeps your face a little warm. I hate when wind comes up in my face all the time. This looks like you open and close for breathability. All right, so what I did was just push in the middle. I'm not sure how you're supposed to do it. I didn't want to read the manual. And then the side popped open and it pulled it off. This is actually magnetic. And then there's some magnets on here too. That is an interesting little plug. Now the aux cord slid in nice and easy. Got that magnet on. Here's a flip to take this off. Now, how about the microphone? They're Velcro, so I wonder if they just stick inside of the helmet. I don't know if you can see right here is a Velcro like, that looks probably for the microphone. First of all, wait a second. Let me make sure this thing fits. It fits. God, that is like so aggressive. You gotta really hold it, or it just slams shut. The fact that it is not cold and it fogged up is not a good sign, but I know that they do sell inserts for your visor that will prevent it from fogging up. Might have to get one. Now, figured it out. It's hooked up. I got it paired. There's absolutely no bass. There's no, I mean, it's not super good quality, but the vocals are very clear. So for phone calls, which is its intended purpose, it does a really good job. And I know that, I mean, the volume gets up there a little bit too, but I won't talk too much about that because like my other videos, all the people that have been riding motorcycles for years and stuff, they like to talk shit about how I do things because I'm not being safe or something, and I guarantee somebody out there is going to complain about listening to music while riding on the road.
Yeah. MD, JPB, it's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bad bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco.
Well, there's that. Making it short, simple. Thanks for watching my unboxing video.